In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install extensions to the ChatGPT Atlas web browser. The first thing we need to do is to open ChatGPT Atlas. Once we've done this, you want to select your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to hover over extensions, and you want to select manage all extensions. Once you are taken to the extension page, you want to select Google Chrome Web Store, and then you want to go ahead and search for an extension of your choice. So I'm going to search for uBlock Origin Lite. Once we've selected the extension, we want to go ahead and select Add to Chrome, and in the pop-up you want to select Add Extension. After a couple of seconds it's going to be successfully installed. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the extension store, and you want to go back to the extension page in your web browser. From here you can configure the extension just like any other Chromium browser, so we're going to select Details, and here we can change our extension settings. So now we've done this, we can exit out of the extension tab, and now we can start using ChatGPT Atlas just as we normally would. If you'd like to access your currently installed extensions, again you want to go to your account icon in the top right hand corner, and then you want to hover over extensions, and you'll see them listed here, where you can go ahead and pin it to your browser bar if you'd wish to do so. So now we can access the extension just as we normally would. And that's it, so if this video is helpful, please leave a like.